Located in the lap of Verkhoyansk is the city, the Verkhoyansk city. It is one of the coldest with a very high temperature range. As you can see it with its temperature precipitation graph, the highest temperature is going to be around 0 degrees centigrade, but it fluctuates till about 11 degrees centigrade as well. And the lowest can go on to be minus 59 degrees centigrade. So from 11 degree centigrade to minus 59 degrees centigrade, the temperature range in this case can go on to be as much as 70 degrees centigrade. That is, the difference between the summer and winter temperature is to the extent of 70 degrees centigrade. Such type of temperature ranges are not found anywhere in the whole of the world.